Hey guys, Pete again. January 21st, still 2010. It is now 4:30. Market just closed. We started recovering a little bit in the overall market, then we just started trading in a range and pretty much flat for the rest of the day. So the market, as far as the Dow, ended up 200 points down, 200 and change. So we're still kind of flat. The market, as far as the S&P 500, if you see here, this is the 50-day we're looking at. If I bring it a little closer, we're at the 1116 range right now. And as I told you before, the 50-day is sitting at 1114. So we haven't broke that. If it does break, I'll let it play to maybe 1112 just to give it some flexibility. But I think it should bounce back at this point. There's a lot of noise in the market today, all over the media, CNBC, Bloomberg, regarding the Obama comments. Um, I'm trying to stay away from all the noise just because it doesn't allow you to think correctly when you're trading and trying to make a decision if the market's going to go up or down, if your stock is going to go up or down. And it just puts just a lot of blank spots in your head. So I try to stay away from the noise. But obviously, that was big announcement as far as the banks and so forth with Obama. You'll see it on the news if you haven't yet. But anyway, I'm 50-50 on his decision today. Not trying to cop out, but there was a lot of abuse. There's been a lot of abuse toward customers, even toward traders like us with automatic trading. These big boys, these 800-pound gorillas, they have the money to abuse, so they do it. So we're the little guys in the game. It's a great game, and we just gotta try to beat when we can, and take the money and run. But as far as the overall market, like I told you, S&P 500, you'll see here at this point where it dipped below the 50 as well. So that may happen as well as I'm looking at here. We're looking at a 6-month chart. So I think the market is going to turn around. If it does not turn around, like I told you, it may dip a little bit lower, maybe 1112, maybe even 1110. So just keep that in mind. Don't panic. When you panic, you're definitely going to lose some money. As far as my trades, I didn't sell off where in other situations I would have. I'm still holding on to PBR. And when I pull a little closer, I did break the 200. It's making me shake my boots a little bit, but I'm still going to hold on probably until tomorrow. And then tomorrow, depending on the action, I'll either sell it off or, if it bounces back. I mean, I have enough shares where if it bounces back, I'll make a good, quick recovery. So I'm going to wait to see what the overall conditions of the market is. If we do more of the same today, 200 points today, 122 yesterday. So it's starting to, I think we're at 5% or something as far as the correction. So let's see what happens in the trading action tomorrow. As far as another stock that I'm holding is Bank of America. A lot of people going against me on this trade as well. It's broken. This is 6 month as well. A little jagged, playing the 50-day as well. It broke the 50-day this afternoon, and it's been trending downward, but I'm still holding on to it. Again, I'm not going to let it ride to the 200. That's guaranteed. But I think I'm still positive and a little bullish on the banks, even though the major banks like Bank of America are the ones getting hit by Obama, and the smaller community banks pretty much were rallying all day. But with that said, the strong will survive. So I'm still optimistic on Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. So let's see. I'm gonna hold it maybe a day or so more. Let's see. Again, I'm looking for the trading action of the overall market, because you got to remember the overall market will take your stocks in the direction overall. So besides fundamentals, besides technically, so forth and so on. I mean, you gotta follow the overall market, then you gotta follow your sector, and then you gotta follow your industry. So it's a lot of things to follow, including fundamentals and technicals and so forth. So, and earnings, obviously number one. So keep that in mind. I'm still holding on to my positions. If you get stopped out, you get stopped out. You can always buy back. So let's look at what happens tomorrow, and we'll take it from that point. All right, guys. It's Pete from Pete2Cents.com, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.